Are you thinking of deploying a chatbot for your small business? Let us guide you through the top 5 reasons you should use Amy to bring customer satisfaction. Customers want an answer as quickly as possible. You might lose them if you're not quick enough. Luckily, with Amy, your customers can get help instantly. Are customer inquiries keeping you up at night? Amy doesn't sleep and is available 24/7, ready to respond to your most frequently asked questions. Most customers today aren't comfortable sharing personal information with just anybody. Amy is different. It offers anonymous, secure, and protected interactions that your customers can depend on. Your customers don't have time to scroll through every part of your website just to find a simple answer to their question. All you have to do is use the templates provided and plug in the questions and answers that are most meaningful to your website visitors. Making customers happy is easier said than done. It takes time to understand their behavior. Amy can gather customer data so you can be the director of your customer service instead of the operator. Ready to give Amy a try? All you have to do is choose a pre-built template made just for businesses like yours, and you'll be ready to get Amy on your live website within minutes. Amy, the chatbot with human superpowers built exclusively for small businesses.